Cup decks is not something that came from the other truck, but our good friends at 3W Auto Life here, they heard that we were getting new Gladiators, so they also wanted to hook us up a set of these mats for here. So one of these, actually, even though it's a Rubicon, came with the carpet. So I'll get these out of here. I happen to have the stock mats still from the other one, but I actually like these ones better. These ones are a little stiffer, and as you could say, my complaint before was that they get a little ashy. These 3W ones, I had them in the woods already, I had them in the dirt, they washed right off, and they looked awesome, so I didn't have to worry about them getting all ashy. I do, you know, nice the Jeeps have the drain plugs, but I don't really use those because I don't have the carpet cut out, so these are kind of nice. They have the drain plug, but super washable, and yeah, let's get this guy in here. So just like the other one, has these guys. Just slide right in here. We'll get the leaf out of here. Slide that hole. Boom. Snapped in, and she's ready to go. Look at that fit. Super nice. See you later, carpet. Passenger side, which should be the rear, which is a one-piece. Like that, it doesn't have the connector in the middle, so it goes all the way around. So, this one out. This one out here. And we'll drop this guy in. Easy. It's in here. Nubs, go. Oh yeah. Got there. There. And we are rolling. Look at that. Nice. Nice little box. Super nice fit. I love it. All right, on to the passenger side, the last one. Got this guy here. Get this carpet. Sayonara, bro. Nice. Guide pins. There you go. And perfect. Okay, and something else 3W sells that is awesome is a rubber floor mat for the bed. Rubber bed mat. It's really nice. It's one piece, and something I really like is it's got these magnets on there so it stays in place. Of course, this guy will settle down when it gets in the sun a little bit and get some of the wrinkles out of there, but that's what that guy looks like. Yeah, I know I have a spray and liner, but also I won't use this all the time, but a lot of times it's nice if you're putting stuff back here like coolers and tackle boxes so stuff doesn't actually slide around. It's got a lot of good grip with this hex in here. And another thing is, well, I have two of these because I have one on my other truck, so maybe I can do a giveaway or something. If there's anybody in the Orlando area possibly who has a Gladiator that need one of these, hit me up. Maybe we can hook you up with one of those. So yeah, there you go, share some wealth. 3W, floor mats, bed liner, awesome. All
I also want to throw out there, a lot of people are gearing up for Easter Jeep Safari next week, and based on my past EJS experience, upgrading floor mats is often overlooked, but a great step in combating that red dirt in Moab. 3W will be in attendance this year and have a booth at the vendor showcase April 2nd through 3rd, so stop by and get you a set or order ahead online and check it out.